Hello and welcome to English 270 Children's Literature. My name is Christina Axtell and I will be your instructor this semester. Just wanted to hop on and give you a quick introduction to the class, tell you what to expect, and introduce you to the materials and textbooks you'll need. We have no meetings this semester. We are fully online, so everything will be here on Canvas. When you sign into Canvas, you can probably should start with the syllabus. And that should open right up. Make sure you review it, check out our policies, all the requirements, any important guidelines, and you'll see that it tells you that one of the first things you need to do to establish attendance in the class is take the first quiz, which is on policies and syllabus information, and then the first discussion board where you post an introduction. Once you've done that, you've guaranteed your spot in the class, and then you can start on the work. Get the books as soon as possible. Not having the books is not an excuse for not being able to do the work, so you do need to get them as soon as possible. They're in the library, and they're also in the Learning Center, which I can give you more information about. The main textbook is this one right here. It's called Essentials of Children's Literature, and you want to make sure you get the 9th edition. I don't believe there's an online ebook version of this, which could be unfortunate to some, but I think a physical book is always preferable for class. Then the other main textbook, Folk and Fairy Tales, we'll be using this one for about 3 weeks, starting around week 4, so you'll want to get this book. And then we're reading several novels in the class. These are all short, they're children's novels, so they go kind of quick, but you should get them and start as soon as you can. Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone, so the first of the series. Don't try to just read the, scratch that. Don't try to just watch the movies. I know they're great movies, but the books have so much more information and you will need them for class. I lost the book jacket to this one, but The Graveyard Book by Neil Gaiman. Number the Stars by Lewis Lowry. Lucky Broken Girl by, I forgot her name, Ruth Behar. A Long Walk to Water by Linda Sue Park, which my kids just read in junior high, so you may have already read this book, but if so, that's great. And then Mildred Taylor's The Gold Cadillac. The novels take up the last 6 weeks of class, so you have a sense of when you're going to read them. But again, yeah, Folk and Fairy Tales and Essentials of Children's Lit you should get as soon as possible. They are available in the bookstore, and again, I've put them on reserve in the library and the Learning Center. So if you have any trouble accessing those, please let me know as soon as possible. Once you sign in on Monday, like I said, look around the class, get started on those first assignments, and keep an eye out for any announcements from me. I hope we have a great semester, and I'll talk to you soon.